Today we went to the Ouzoud trip with driver and guide. The bus arrived 5 minutes early, was decked out with well-working Wi-Fi. Both guys insisted on their passengers wearing seatbelts. The bus was very clean. The guide spoke English, Spanish and French and of course the local languages. The driver drove safely and the guide was very knowledgeable and friendly. The local guide in Ouzoud was also knowledgeable and friendly. Toilet stops were well planned. The waterfall itself was well worth the trip. The whole experience was amazing and I can heartily recommend going on a trip with this outfit. Excellent experience. A day trip from Marrakech to the stunning Ouzoud Waterfalls offers an unforgettable escape into nature. Begin your journey with a comfortable pickup in an air-conditioned vehicle, heading towards the breathtaking cascades that define the Moroccan countryside. Guided by a local expert, you'll explore well-maintained trails showcasing various viewpoints of the falls, each more captivating than the last. For a unique experience, opt for a boat tour on the Ouzoud Basin, where you can glide across crystal-clear waters and feel the refreshing spray of the waterfalls up close. This adventure is perfect for nature lovers and those seeking a tranquil day away from the city. Comfortable air-conditioned pickup from Marrakech. Guided exploration along scenic trails with stunning viewpoints. Optional boat tour for an up-close experience of the waterfalls. Ideal for nature enthusiasts looking for a serene getaway.